Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the question answers from the 8th standard English. It's a second language from the part 2 poetry Coromandel Fishers, which is written by Sarojini Naidu. The first main is answer the following questions. 1 or 2 sentences. What sort of sounds can one hear early in the morning? The answer is the poem implies the quiet sounds of the awakening of nature, as the awakening skies pray to the morning light and the wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. How is the wind described in line 2? The wind is described as lying asleep in the arms of dawn like a child that has cried all night. Why are the nets to be gathered? The nets are to be gathered from the shore to capture the leaping wealth of the tide and to set our catamarans free. What do you think is the wealth to the fisherman? The wealth to the fisherman is the leaping wealth of the tide, which is defined in the glossary as the wealth found in the sea. Okay, moving to the next main, that is comprehension part 2, read and write. What do you understand from the first line of the poem? The awakening skies pray to the morning light. This line uses personification, suggesting that the skies are beginning to stir or become active and are humbly acknowledging the start of the new day. The poet says, let us set our catamarans free. What does it mean? It means the fisherman should unmoor or release their boats, means catamarans, which are boats with two parallel hulls from the shore so they can begin their journey out to sea. What happens if the fishermen are late in starting their work? The leader urges them to no longer delay. Let us hasten away so they can go in the track of the seagull's call. If they delay, they risk missing the opportunity to capture the valuable fish. Why does the poet say, A, the sea is our mother? The poet says this because the sea sustains them and provides for them. B, the cloud is our brother. The cloud is seen as a companion or a fellow being in their shared world. C, the waves are our comrades. All the waves are their comrades, means companions, because they constantly interact with the waves during their work. Move on to the next main, C3. Answer the following in a paragraph. The poet describes many things as sweet. What are they? Among them, what is considered to be the sweetest? The answer is the poet describes several comforts of life on land as sweet. These include the shade of the coconut glad, the scent of the mango grove, and the sands at the full o' the moon with the sounds of the voices we love. However, the fishermen prioritize the thrill of their life at sea. They declare that sweeter than all these are the kiss of the spray, water that sprinkles from the waves, and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Okay. Next main is C4. Name the figure of speech used in the following sentences. The awakening skies pray to the morning light, personification. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child, answer is simile. The sea is our mother, answer is metaphor. The cloud is our brother, the answer is, this is also a metaphor. Metaphor. Okay. The next one is, the waves are our comrades all. Answer is metaphor again. Move on to the next main, that is comprehension part 5. List out the rhyming words in the poem and read them out to the class. Light, might, free, sea, like that, call, all, drives, lives, grove, love, glee, sea. Okay, thank you friends.